We should be back live right here. Let's see if we finally get some confirmation on the upside or even downside. So market pushed a lot, as you could see. It sold off. It always sell off when we have news like this, and then it's bouncing right back again. So progress above 75 could trigger a long for me. So if we break above 75, I will go for a long, maybe back to 750. Take my quick points. We're showing some support here at 600. Previous lows is 550. So break above here, I might consider going for a long. So you're aware. Regarding the news is a live stream that they're hosting. I'm not going to stream that. I'm just going to focus on poor technical analysis and market behavior and psychology only. I'm just going to focus on trading it for a couple of minutes. Be aware of the risk. If it doesn't really break above, we don't want to go in for a long. A long could be very risky here. Could sell back to here, even lower. So just be aware of the risk and have a stop loss in place. We want to keep it simple, as always. We want to make sure we're on the right side of the market. We did not wait above 300, and we start selling below, and we start seeing some weakness. Selling below 600 could also trigger short back to 550 or even back to 500. With a push above 675, that could trigger a long. Currently support at 617. Break below here is just short back to 500 for me. So if we can break it below 615, I would like to go for a short. Else we're gonna go for a long. Short below, long above. Remember, when we push below, it could push right back up again, okay? Be careful going short here. Might push all the way back up again, and then you're getting stopped out here, here, and there. So if you want to go short, it's going to be when we see break below 600, confirmation. And long would be if we push above again. So I'm just waiting, giving the market some time, let the market digest on the news. I'm not super sure this is going to give us any clarification. Let's see here. I like to go for a long if we can hold support around here, then take it back. But let's see. I haven't done anything yet. Strong support on DAX. We could see a pushback. Support on Nasdaq also. We could also see a pushback. I might consider going for long on the Nasdaq, but let's see. I'm poorly focused on the direction and the momentum and the price action in the market. So if I see support at 65, I might go for long. Like, this is not really short for me when I don't see a lot of progress below. Yes, it could look like a long here because this lower week is higher than this one here, and we're pushing up. I might consider going for a light long here. Let's see. We went to 600, strong support. We might push to 700 or 750. Let's take a look at Nvidia. Nvidia's holding quite strong. That might push it. Let's see. I'll go in for a quick long here. Let's see here. Could also get rejected here at 650. We sold off from here last time. It's a little tricky what we're gonna do. From now on, I'm just staying cash and waiting. Could be a quick long back to 650 or 660. I might consider going for a long, but let's see here. Nope, it's a short again. Yeah. It's very risky tonight, just so you're aware, because the Fed is speaking. He's gonna comment on what's going on. So it's very risky. For me, it's a long. I'm going for a quick long here at 630. It's very risky. It might push back to 615. So that's the downside. I know the reward might be 700 or 750. Let's see here. They could dump it back to here or even lower. Just be aware of that they could sell off the market around 650. So this could act as a new resistance. The DAX is also holding quite strong. The market is holding quite strong. It's breaking above 650. Consider going in for a light short, but resistance came in here, selling pressure below 675, so selling pressure at 650. So it could be a little bit stupid to go along here and then hope for something happen when it might not happen. We shouldn't be living with hope. We should be more realistic. Realistic is always very good. But it's trending up right now, and they might push it to 700. They could also sell it off. Wow, very clean. I'm gonna go for a quick long here. Get ready for a long, guys. Going for a quick long here. It's currently trading at 675. Let's see here if we're gonna push it above. Wow, strong rejection, moving stop loss down. I would like to add to this position here. It could also get rejected here and then sell off. My target is around 750 or 725. Strong candle down. Let's see if it's a fake out. Be careful here. it might sell it all the way back here again. So this was a fake out. Maybe, let's see here, if they're gonna push it, or if it was a fake out. If I got a fake out, let's see, will they push it? I like to exit this one here, guys. Let's just exit to be safe. We can exit at 9.95 was my exit, or 94. I just exit that one here, just to be on the safe page here. It could sell off. I know it's pushing. I know it's very clean. The trend is pointing up, but I just exit. The exit's also selling off now. This is also kind of like a little tricky here, so I exit that one for some good profit. I just want to make sure that I'm not doing something stupid. I'm very positive for the Nasdaq if we can break above 800, but we keep getting rejected at 750, so this is more short for me. But when I first go long and I make money, I'm very against going short and like flip the switch. It's just one of my principles. But we see that the market is holding quite strong and it's doing amazing. For me, this is more risky than rewarding right now. It took a long, it went against me, but it did not break below. It did not sold off. It pushed up from 60 to 94. I would like to go long again here. Buying it here is currently trading at 85. Do not copy. This is very risky. We'll exit this one if we can push to 700. No progress. We'll exit this one to be safe. I'll exit now here again at 794. As you can see, it's currently trading at 94 or 96. Not super sure. For me, it's very risky. I thought it would be more clear. I identified on my paper as long for the Nasdaq. And I told you 750. I think I'm gonna do a long on my other account, but I'm not super confident. I wouldn't have lost money. I don't hope any one of you lost money today. Like I only say long, 750. A little concerned here. It could act as a resistance, and we have current lows of 550. I would rather stay cash and then take the DAX in the morning. I'm not seeing anything that really could play out and work out for me. We're gonna have rejection here at 712, and it might sell back. I know it could push up, but for me it's too risky right now to trade it. It was also too risky at the New York opening. It went crazy and I didn't expect that, so I'm glad I didn't trade more today. But overall, a good day. Been doing the right things, been keeping it very smooth. been only focused on one thing, and that was a long here. If you're long, guys, you could exit, you could hold it. I would personally not do anything. I consider going short here, take it back, but I just don't like the risk reward. Yeah. On my other live account, where a lot of people they copy my trades, I have an almost 85% win rate, and for the past 2 weeks only been making money. Today I'm also making like 3%. I'm going after making around 3% per day. It's doing quite well. I'm up 80% this month, and past month up 75%. But let's see here, it could maybe push and then we can go for a long. If it doesn't push in the next 2 minutes, I'll not go for a long. It's on a level where it can either push above, rally to 750, it's not that great risk reward, or it could sell back to 19,200. So as you can see, it's struggling to break above the previous highs where it sold off from, back to 550. So it sold off 200 points. So right now it's struggling to find the momentums. We might see momentum. You could see indeed just pushing. It's not really like the S&P is like doing fine. It's only down 6%. Yeah, I would say no more trading for me, is too risky. DAX is selling off. Nasdaq is consolidating. For me, this is a short on the Nasdaq. I'm not gonna do more. I'm gonna call it here. It's too risky. I'll see you tomorrow morning.